Currently have the keys to something that's, I don't have an adjective, it's just a Subaru. It's a Subaru Legacy. It's Mike's new car. He sold his RS7 for a Subaru Legacy. I've got the Audi S4s there. The reason I have the keys to a Subaru Legacy is because he borrowed my i8 when I was gone, and now I'm gonna go and pick it up, and we're heading to Cauley Ferrari's dealership, the new one, the new showroom in West Bloomfield, for a car show. Should be fun. Just Subaru things chasing down Nick in the R8. What's the point of a radar detector in a Subaru Legacy? Can this thing even go past the speed limit? All right, quick review of the Subaru Legacy. Overall, I don't like it. I don't like the transmission, I don't like the engine, I don't like the steering, I don't like the brakes, none of it. Why would you trade an RS7 for a Subaru Legacy? Mike, you made a bad decision. I want my i8 back. This is better. Lots of Ferraris. Here's the new dealership. Ooh, there's an F40. Holy crap. Dave's Riviera Blue Ford GT. Steve! Enzo with red seats and an F40 with red seats. Wow. Look at how big this rear glass is. I don't think it's glass, it looks like plexiglass or something. Legends.
Is that Tyler?
Hey, look, it's Tyler! The new Ferrari showroom. Ooh, they have a car up there. We're gonna have to go inside. This is quite impressive. Speciale Aperta. There's probably like 7 48s here right now. Holy crap. Look at this. Oh my, holy carbon. Holy crap. Oh, that's beautiful. This is a beautiful Aperta. I wonder if the TDF is here somewhere. They have a TDF for sale. Ooh, hello, Scuderia across the row. In service. Hello, Mir. I thought there was another Aperta over there for a second, then I realized it's a Mir. Jeez. The interior of a Speciale Aperta. Lots of carbon fiber and no carpets. I like this a lot because it is not Ferrari resale red. This is a very nice spec. Guesses on the price? $372. Oh my. Other options that they couldn't even list, 20 grand. Wait, Ferrari historical, this is a $12,500 paint. Ha.
The one outside was only $310.
Dollars?
$310.
Oh, $310,000. I thought you meant the paint was.
It was $310.
You know what I meant. I don't know.
Eddie,
what?
is this how they load them? They just drive off the back really fast?
One time when I was really young, the first time I came to the Cauley Ferrari, I walked over here, and through that window in the service bay was a Maserati MC12, and I was utterly shocked because I knew what it was and knew how rare it was. I was like, holy crap, there's a Maserati MC12, I've got to see one in person. There's like 50 in the world or something absurd like that. So that was my first experience at Cauley Ferrari. Now look at this new everything. 612 Scaglietti. I don't know how to pronounce the last part. 612 Scaglietti. Scaglietti. I didn't know this existed. Ferrari Champagne. Ferrari Champagne. You better get a bottle when you buy one of these. Discussion time with Nick.
F12 or 488?
F12.
F12 or 458?
F12. V12.
Me too.
V12.
There's no more discussion to be had.
V12. End of discussion.
There's no more discussion to be had.
Although, that black one, murder that one out.
Look good.
And Largo. That's what I want.
Obvious.
Here's the proper question, Nick. F12 and Largo or La Ferrari?
Oh my god. Is that even... Oh, that's the hard...
Technically, the N Largo is more rare, but it's like an aftermarket. kit, so it's like.
It's not.
Which one?
Won't hold as
Which
value.
one?
I have to
F12 and Largo at LaFerrari.
I have to.
Really? Because Nick really loves N Largo, which I do too. You can't blame him. It's epic.
But
wait, that's a 16M, I think. You gotta what?
That's
Continue.
A Scoot.
No. It's a convertible. It's a 16M, which is essentially a yeah, just a convertible Scuderia. These are really rare. Wow. Is this Bianco Fuji whatchamacallit paint that's like $40,000 or something? Oh, well, yeah, because that's cool. Dude, this, hey, this Speciale Porta is like the 2 generations of convertible hardcore V8 mid-engine Ferraris. You trying to do?
I love fisting.
You want to find a 458 and do that?
Yes. I do.
There's a bunch outside. Let's go.
There's an Aperta too.
You want to fist the exhaust of an $800,000 Ferrari? Carbon ceramic. That's a lot. 15,000. Your rim treatment, insect remover, car shampoo, all Ferrari branded, of course. Ooh, that's cool. I actually really like when people have the carbon fiber badges.
There was
titanium wheel bolt kit.
458 out there with them, I think.
So we came back to this car to look a little closely. Two-tone body painting is already $11,800, plus that historical color of $12,500. That's 25 grand right there. That is a lot. Oh, there's a TDF. We found the TDF.
You keep the cases
Looking at over $1 million right here. Oh boy. This might have been a first design. Looks like it was drawn up a crayon. Interesting. This will make for some very cool angles for photo shoots. Gonna go check out the challenge car over there. Straight up race car. Imagine seeing this driving down the road. That would be awesome. Hey, look, the tires actually have tread. Yeah, this would be cool seeing this rolling down the road. What would be even cooler is getting to drive it on the road. GT leaving.
Buy it and register it as a regular.
In case you forget the alphabet, your Ferrari race car tells you it. No, it does. Oh, it does. Backup camera. Check this out, guys. Here is a model LaFerrari, a scale model. Incredible detail. I'm assuming you only got one if you purchased the car because it's a limited edition run. But look at that detail. It's got like the texture of the carbon fiber, engine bay. This is pretty. I can imagine this being a couple thousand maybe because it's a LaFerrari model. I don't know. Of course, being at a Ferrari dealership, even the garbage cans are Ferrari branded. It also probably means this is a $450 garbage can. And the F40. Ooh. It is kind of quiet, actually. Oh. Hello, Enzo. Oh my.
That's like a freebie.
There we have it, the brand new Cauley Ferrari dealership of Michigan. I don't know if they're calling it Ferrari of Detroit now. Either way, it's the only one in the entire state of Michigan. New updated showroom is amazing. Some really awesome cars were here. I don't know if I had to pick my favorite. That TDF or that Speciale Aperta are very nice, but also obviously Enzo and F40 are amazing vehicles. Either way, this was fun. A good evening to come hang out with people, enjoy the nice weather in Michigan. Took my little hybrid toaster out. And yeah, I'm starting to think about future cars. Ferrari would be tempting, but I can't afford that because they're too expensive. Right, Nick? Someday though, Nick and I have agreed that we're gonna get matching, not matching, we're gonna have 458s. Yes. I want an all white one, like Stormtroopered out, and he wants a black one all murdered out. Because of that Boston video. Because of the Boston video, the two of them rolling around, and it's so cool. Well, some nice parts and get some IP exhaust on them so they scream. All right. We'll probably go wander around a little bit more, talk to some people. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching.